So as I was saying, sorry for the disturbing. So the duplicate triangle, the duplicate move over here, it usually takes an object, where whenever it takes an object, and then we have to apply a specific translation to the object. So we get that object then, and we can't be an object itself, since we want the product to remain the same. So we attach that object to the back to the active, like back to the active collection. So usually the collection over here, it's usually the ones that are here. So if I select this, you can see it's already been selected, and we return that object. So over here we are setting the parameters for the iteration for triangle duplication. This is the number of iteration that we are going to have, and the size of the triangle, and the size of the the base of the triangle. The next we have is this function that is helping us to create the base of the triangle, and the material of the base, and the material of the base. So over here we can see that we have a red, that we have blue for our color. Over here we have blue as a color, and usually we are creating my material. So material, we are creating a new material, so triangle dot material, then assigning a blue color with an alpha value of 0.5. And over here we are iterating over the number of iteration we had. The number of iteration we had for the triangle, that is in our case it was around 5. So whenever we duplicate the triangle, we have to move it around around the x direction, to just align it with the you have to align it with the material that we have, with the active collection that we have, and then link it back, and then we have to join them as a set. And then over down here we start cleaning the vertices and everything that we have, and then move back to object mode, and move the collection from the it's usually we are editing in edit mode, then move back to, whenever the program finish, we move back to object mode over here, as you can see. So that's all. Thank you.